am grateful. I am grateful for nothing.
How many times in your life you stop for a while to say thanks to all of those who contributed in your life? We do a lot of things, but we normally don't think of to say thanks to all people who contributed. I was born in July years before. If I will tell how many years before, then you will come to know my age. And born as an immature child, my mother was just 15 years old then. So I am thankful to the hospital where I was born for all the facilities that hospital had, so that I am here speaking besides you. I am also thankful to my grandmother who taken proper care of me in those days. Initial years of my life, initial 4 5 years I spent in my village, and perhaps those days helped me to get attached to the roots. Wherever we go in our life, our roots are something which helps us to grow. After those 4 5 years, I spent 2 3 years with my uncle in Burnpur, which is in Bengal, and he was quite a strict person. And perhaps those days with him imbibed the value of discipline in me. And discipline is vitamin D for us. What vitamin D does to you? What is the purpose of vitamin D? Makes your bone stronger. And vitamin D for discipline makes yourself stronger. So I'm really thankful to him. And then I came back to be with my parents, and the house in which we were living, especially in rainy days, used to get converted into an island with water all around. And my favorite childhood activity was, in fact, childhood activity was to create bridges to go to other side of that. Though we were never successful, because whenever we used to go for inauguration of that bridge, the heavy auntie used to try that bridge first time, but that bridge were used to make for the children, so we tested only with the children. So, and that was my first testing lesson that I learned, that you also try with negative cases. So that might have an impact on me overall. I have done my graduation from my hometown, and as it is told in my introduction as well, that I have gone for MCA to do everything apart from studies, and I maintained that thing. I participated in all extracurricular activities and everything, and had a lot of friends there, and definitely those friends helped me to grow in my life. So whatever I am has significant contribution to the university in which I was living, to my postal mates and all the professors who helped me there to grow. Coming to my professional life, after my MCA, I was, even that time, I was not feeling myself ready for jobs. So 1 year I spent in taking tuitions and all those things. But there was pressure from my parents, and I came to IT industry at last. And I worked in several companies around. This Amdocs is my fifth company. So working in several companies is good as well, and yes, it has some impact as well. But I got positive things overall, and got to work on various different kind of projects. Got to work with various different kind of people, and helped me to grow professionally as well as personally. Coming back to my family thing, here I am living with my wife and kids, and I'm thankful to my wife, because without her, it would not be possible to have kids, though biologically, but I never thought about that possibility. And kids, through them, I'm living my childhood again. So really, I'm grateful. And overall, I'm associated with Toastmaster for last 1 year, and definitely, I'm thankful to this community as well to help me to grow overall as a communicator. So, in general, it's we are not we are today because of us. We are just a player in the game called life. All those people are contributor to that game. We win only because all those people who contributed. So none of the your win is only yours. Is you are winning not for yourself but for all of us. So keep winning.